Okay, so if you're having wrist pain or thumb pain and you're thinking about getting this splint, let me walk you through exactly what you're gonna get to help you make a better purchasing decision. So this is the 2-pack from FEATOL. You can see I have it on my left hand right now. I have the other one in here for the right hand, still unwrapped. So I'm trying to move my wrist right now, you can see, and it's doing a really good job of keeping it tight. The thumb, similarly, it's really gonna keep your thumb strapped in, especially this bottom joint right here. I do like the adjustable factor of this. So not only can you loosen it up if you wanted to, but there's also these metal rods in here that are removable depending on how much, resistance you want. So there's one right here that acts as a splint for the thumb. So if you wanted to take that out, you could. And there's also one in the back down here for the wrist. So if you wanted to take that out, you could as well. So if you wanted a little bit of less and you want more mobility, you could easily take those out, which is a nice add-on. I do like products that are versatile like this one. Another thing to note is that it does say which hand it goes on the bottom right here. So if you're like me, I tried to put this on my right hand first, foolishly. And then notice that it was supposed to go on the left hand. So that's just something to note right there. And yeah, overall, I think this does a really good job of keeping your hand and your wrist and your thumb in place. If you're looking for to stop some discomfort or whatever you might need to be stabilized for, I think this is a good solution. The company did send us this product to test, but that is what you're going to get.